Hi everyone, I'm Krishna, fashion editor of Femina, in conversation with none other than Kareena Kapoor on wellness, beauty, and the new Puma campaign. Hi Kareena, how are you?
Hi, go on.
So Kareena, I'll jump right into it. How have you been keeping fit through the pandemic?
I think COVID had, kind of two phases for me because the first lockdown was, I think we were all still getting used to what COVID kind of means, what it is. We were first time, I think everyone was, not stepping out for work. So I think everyone was on that trip of doing yoga and getting supremely fit. The home workout videos were all over, Instagram. So I think I also enjoyed that phase of getting fit at home, which was new, I think, to everybody. I think in the second lockdown of COVID, I got pregnant. So that was very different again because it was, everyone was worried, like family was worried in terms of stepping out or, taking care. So it was a very different kind of a second lockdown, of course, So I think that generally I've been trying to maintain fitness. Even now, I mean, we're not out of COVID, but we're still on Zoom calls and stuff. But I'm still trying to be as fit as I can.
You have flawless skin. You always have flawless skin. What would you say is your secret?
Well, I think my secret, there's no official secret as such, but I would say that it's also because I think when you're happy and you're positive, your skin also glows as regular and cheesy as it may sound, but that is the truth. And also a little bit of, I think, good genes because my mom has amazing skin.
Right. So, actually, talking about wellness, you've always been a patron of yoga. How would you say it has impacted your life?
I think I was probably one of the first actors to actually take up yoga when I started first with Bharat Thakur. But I think yoga, the minute I started doing it in 2007, it completely changed my life, my body in every which way. I think till today, that's the only thing that keeps all of us now. I think everybody, I think, practically sane and calm. In fact, I tell my yoga teacher now that I want to focus on a lot of breath work because that is something. The asanas, yes, of course, is what people do, but meditation and a lot of breath work is also something that has really helped me post-delivery a lot.
That's precious. So what do you like working out?
I think athleisure is something that comes naturally to me because it's something that I'm always in. Pre-baby, post-baby, post-COVID, pre-COVID, I was always in my athleisure. I think it's such an important part of my morning and such an important part of my day. Now I'm living in the quad sets of Puma, the reds and the blacks are just something that I'm living in them right from 8 in the morning. And that athleisure look can actually go on sometimes to 5-6 weeks.
So actually, talking of the Puma, the new campaign looks stunning. Could you tell us a little bit about it?
When we were shooting it, I knew that I was I think this will be off the charts because somehow it's very different from the regular Puma campaigns that we've done. The one that we did last also was very special because I was 7 months pregnant, and now you're seeing, me in an autumn-winter collection, which is, I think, the colors, the mood, everything is just so bang on.
Wow, that's amazing. So what would you say are your go-to Puma essentials?
In this collection, there's everything for every girl, for every mood. I somehow even feel like the red is like a party starter. It's kind of got I don't know, you can just throw on a jacket on that and it can look quite smashing. It's got just the vibe and it's just the perfect time. Winter's more of a party season. There's Diwali, there's, Christmas, there's everything going. I mean, somehow I feel like I'm looking I can look super hot in that, or even in the all black look. So, I mean, if you just throw on light makeup and a lipper, I think I'm ready to party in my athleisure, which is quite cool. So, I mean, it's a tough choice to really, really pick which one would be the best. But for me, I mean, even the jacket I'm wearing, it's keeping me warm because right now I'm in Delhi and it's very, very cold here.
And it looks great. It looks Really nice.
Yeah, the colors are just outstanding. The choice of colors this time that we've done, I feel like it's just out of the park. That's what everybody's kind of tripping on somehow. Like, I feel like everyone's like, oh my God, this is just amazing.
Thank you so much, Kareena. Thank you for chatting with us.